The tomb of Hazrat Abu Ayyub al-Ansari is located within the Eyup Sultan Mosque complex in Istanbul, Turkey. He was a close companion of the Prophet Muhammad and is highly revered by Muslims. The present mosque and Moseulum were built in the early 19th century, but the site is much older. The current mosque and Moseulum were commissioned by Sultan Selim III and completed in 1800. The Fatih Mosque, or the Conqueror's Mosque in English, is an Ottoman mosque in the Fatih district of Istanbul, Turkey. The original mosque was constructed between 1463 and 1470 on the site of the Church of the Holy Apostles. Seriously damaged in the 1766 earthquake, it was rebuilt in 1771 to a different design. It is named after the Ottoman Sultan Mehmed the Conqueror, known in Turkish as Fatih Sultan Mehmed, who conquered Constantinople in 1453. The Fatih Mosque complex was a religious and social building of unprecedented size and complexity. The original complex included 8 madrase, a library, a hospital, a darwish inn, a market, a hammam, a primary school, and a public kitchen for poor, and a collection of 280 shops. The tomb of Sultan Mehmed al-Fateh, also known as the Conqueror, is a significant historical site located within the Fatih Mosque complex in Istanbul. Sultan Mehmed II, who conquered Constantinople in 1453, commissioned the original mosque between 1463 and 1470. The tomb is situated within the mosque's courtyard, offering visitors a serene and contemplative atmosphere. The surrounding area, Ali Kusku, is a residential neighborhood that provides a peaceful setting away from the bustling Sultan Ahmed district. जिस गली से हम निकले